All-Star Case Breaks doing 18 Contenders Draft. Not Contenders Draft. Contenders Football Hobby. Sorry, Justin. Didn't want to give you a heart attack there. Not Draft. Although I did get the order form today for Prism Draft. Yeah, there's a huge difference in those products, I know. So what do you want to hit, man? Justin? I mean, is there a particular rookie? Darnold? We haven't hit a big quarterback yet. I mean, we haven't even hit a Rudolph or Mason Rudolph or I don't think. Tanner Lee, rookie ticket. I don't think that's the quarterback. Isn't he a quarterback? That's not the one we're looking for. There's a redemption. We haven't hit a good redemption or not killer one yet. Harrison Phillips. Have you seen any speculation on who the rare, probably too early to tell, who the super short prints are? Edo Smith for the Falcons on card. That's not awful. Darius Leonard. Isn't this the guy that is playing so well? Yeah, that's actually, I think that's actually a pretty decent card. Billy Price. Good luck on the redemption, man. Rookie ticket. 152 of Derwin James. Hey, thanks, man. You want me to try to get these out to you today or hold off or what?